guys, do you want to look stylish? Do you want to look like a tree? Very simple. You don't have to do much. You just have to add a third layer. How to add a third layer? You're wearing a simple white t-shirt, jeans, you're wearing a simple graphic t-shirt and jeans. Add a denim jacket, add a blazer, add a trench coat, add a shrug, add any third layer, add scarves. It would give your outfit a notch. It would look very stylish. When you add a third layer, it gives your outfit a more put together look. It gives your boring jeans and t-shirt a new life. This way you can also use your same clothes again and again. Like if you one time you wear it with a denim jacket, one time you wear it blazer, no one is going to notice that you're repeating the t-shirt and you're repeating a jeans. When you add a third layer, you get a good new outfit. Try this. Everyone thinks what I'm going to wear, how my makeup is going to be, how my hair is going to be, but not everyone pay attention to their shoes. And don't make this mistake. Whenever we look at someone, the first thing which we notice, if you know this or not, I'm not sure, but the first thing you notice is their shoes and their handbags. It's natural. So do pay attention to your shoes. If you're not comfortable wearing heels, that's not an issue, but always wear something which is appropriate to your dress. If you're wearing an Indian dress, try to wear a juti or a simple sandal. If you're wearing a western dress, wear with sneakers, give it a very sporty look. Wear it with boots. Not everyone is comfortable with boots, I know, but try boots. It looks very hot. Now let's move to the next secret which can make you look very stylish. Don't pick your outfits in the morning itself when you're already getting late. You woke up late, you have snoozed that button too many times, and then you will not be experimental. You will not feel fashionable. You will not feel that let's get ready. So what you can do, you can pick your outfit a day before. Pick your outfit at night before going to sleep. That time you're mostly relaxed, you're calm, your all works are complete. So you can pick your outfit at that time, and then you would be more likely to experiment with your fashion, which would ultimately make you look stylish. Next, it's very important. Every girl has closet full of clothes. Everyone does. Me too included, obviously. And even then I feel that I don't have anything to wear when I actually have to go somewhere. Always prefer quality over quantity. If you have 100 of not very good quality products, instead of try to have one product which is of really good quality. Good quality can cost you a little bit at the moment. When you're investing in good quality product, you tend to use those products much. They tend to last you longer. So always invest in good quality. For quantity, you can go to Sarojini Nagar. By the way, Sarojini Nagar haul is coming soon in my YouTube channel. Please stay tuned. Not subscribed till now, please subscribe. It's nothing to do with money, nothing actually. It's very simple, but not everyone does. Smile. Please smile. People should smile often. I don't think anyone in this world will look bad if they smile. But still, people are always reserved. Not all people, but yes, most of the people are reserved. They are not smiling much. Everyone has tension. Everyone is going through so much in their life. You never know that, obviously. Smile on strangers. You never know. You can make their day. They will feel better about themselves. You will feel better about yourself. Please smile. It's a very simple trick, but you can obviously practice more to smile more, and you will see whenever you smile, you feel happy from within. Next style tip is to put on a red lipstick. If you're not comfortable with red lipstick, I understand, not everyone is. What you can do, if you're not comfortable with red lipstick, you can try a pink or a magenta color, a little darker, because when you apply a dark lipstick, it makes a statement. It makes you look like you know what you're doing. You're very confident. Obviously, I'm not saying to put on a red lipstick and go to office. You can do that too, but in office obviously wear subtle colors. But in your day-to-day life, just wear a simple t-shirt and jeans and put on a red lipstick and bam, you look really stylish. That's it for the video. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.